Okay, so
Jeff's going to teach me something I don't know.
Sam doesn't know the song, but it's very good for us. It's the only song ever written that I know about deja vu, except that song, Deja Vu, except Deja Vu. It seems we stood or sat and talked like this before. Wait a minute. We looked at each other in the same way then. Geez, but I can't remember where or when.
Or when?
Yeah. Wait a minute. Hey, the clothes you're wearing, those are the same clothes you wore. That smile. You're smiling, you were smiling then.
Was I?
Yeah, but geez, I can't remember where or when.
Or when?
You know that phenomenon, some things that happen for the first time,
Yeah.
they just seem to be happening again.
I'm feeling that too.
Huh. And so it seems that we've met
Before?
And didn't we laugh before?
And loved before.
We loved before. But who knows
Where or